I'm in Venice and I'm about to head over to Long Beach and we're gonna take a boat to Catalina Island. I haven't been in years, so let's check it out. Let's spend the day in Catalina. It's time to get out of here. Okay guys, we are on our way to Catalina with Jamie and Abby and the fam.
Hopefully it's smooth.
Hopefully it's smooth.
We want to be able to drink our champagne and not get soaked like wet rats.
Either way, we're gonna have fun. Hoping for the best. We'll see. Let's go.
Outside in, everyone's looking at me going, I'm the luckiest guy in the world.
Cheers! You are the luckiest guy in the world. Now we just have to not spill the champagne as we pick up speed. We're pretty good back here, I think. All right, we just made it. We're gonna, I think, get dropped off and then more. Abby, are we gonna more? Or you're gonna drop us off and then we'll more? You more?
I'll more.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll drop you guys off.
So we're getting dropped off and then Abby's gonna moor the boat. Yeah, the weather's like perfect. It was a little cold coming over, but so warm and sunny. Lovely. We're gonna go get lunch. All right, we found a good spot for lunch and I realized I haven't had caffeine today, so I'm just gonna go grab a coffee really quick. I got a tea, so we just ordered drinks that come with that. Thank you so much. We look good, guys. Oh, and there are the drinks.
My drunk persona's name is Guadalupe Salazar.
You need a YouTube. That's who I am.
Who wants to get the Wiki Wackers?
Right here. No. Both of them. At the same time? It's an ancient tradition. It's an ancient tradition. Okay.
Same time, okay? So whenever you guys are ready, you guys are going to leave your hands on the stomach, close your eyes. You guys are going to reach in at the same time, so you're going to reach in with your hand.
Oh, okay.
Close your eyes and use the back of your hand to make a wish.
The back of our hands? Okay, and make a wish. Okay, wait, I gotta think of my wish though. Make a wish. Kiss the back of our hand.
Don't try it at home.
Dreams do come true. They come true. I got my Wiki Wack.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, so we just left the bar and we're gonna go hop on a golf cart to our Airbnb and I don't know what we're doing. Maybe a nap, maybe a pool.
We're going to Descanso,
Oh, we're going to Descanso.
the bougie beach bar.
Oh, perfect. Bougie beach bar. Love that.
Yeah, let's go in the back.
All right. And we're off. Again.
I've never experienced the pink.
The PW.
Angelina?
It's
I don't
Pink
know what
Whitney.
this is.
This is Amanda's first time.
I've never heard of this before.
It's pretty much just vodka, but it's gotten me through a lot. I've had a lot of dark experiences with it. But I think everyone deserves to try some, including
Okay.
you.
It looks
So let's
cute.
do it.
I like
It's
the
cute.
bottle.
It's very cute. It's very
pink
cute.
and black. It's very like, can I show them the bottle?
Absolutely. It's very aesthetic. Like, we
Aesthetic.
love the aesthetic.
Yeah. It's pretty cute.
It's very cute.
But it's also kind of like a Mad Dog bottle.
right. It's
And
it's cute, but
you
it's
know,
also a
that's-
little scary.
Yeah.
Like at the same time, it's like, what do I do about this?
I like it though. Okay.
Right.
And it's
Ready?
pretty. It's pink.
Ready. We got it. 1, 2, 3.
Cheers. Woo.
Wow.
Okay, that was a funny day.
I know that was not really bad, right?
Kelly's
not
like,
good.
That's like water.
It has very strong
Ow, it hurts.
Vodka.
Vapes.
Yeah. Yeah. Like, we could blow fire for
I'm
sure.
not a fan of vodka.
You don't like it?
All right, we regrouped. And where are we headed? What?
Descanso.
Descanso. Okay, we're headed to Descanso. It's another bar. Beach bar, right?
Bougie beach bar.
A bougie beach bar. We're gonna see if we can get some flip-flops. It's hot. Yay! They look good.
Happy birthday!
You guys are now stars.
We made it
Superstars.
big time already?
Yep, that's it. This is
You're the
claim to
one.
fame.
You're the goat, right?
Have you guys ever seen a high noon this big? I've never seen a high noon this big.
It's humongous.
We went ahead and, because this would get warm so fast, we just went ahead and split the one, and we're gonna just keep going in for more. Okay, we are heading out. The bar just closed over here. It's like 5:30. I don't know why they closed so early. But we're gonna go take a nap so that we can recharge, and then we're gonna go out tonight. Nap and shower. Sounds good. There's a deer. Wow. Apparently they have animals all over this island.
Right? Feels like this.
This was the strongest jello shot I've ever had. Ever. Wow. It was nuts. Good morning. We are heading out of the Airbnb right now. I stopped filming last night when we were out because it was just time to decompress and let loose, and I didn't want to have a camera in everyone's faces. So we are going to head to breakfast, and then we're going to cross back over to Long Beach, and I'm going to fly to Dallas, and we'll pick up on the next episode. So let's hop into the golf cart. We're going to head out. Jamie's the new videographer for the channel,
I have no experience or skill.
but she qualifies somehow.
Oh shoot! We almost crashed again.
It's like an Austin Powers turn, you know, when he's like...
Holy, I'm stuck.
Oh God.
You got this.
Oh shoot! I think I'm getting in the video in the mirror right there.
That's okay. This is not the most professional show. We just kind of go with the flow. I don't know if you've noticed, but it's not scripted.
That's the best way.
I think we're about to pop into Original Jack's Country Kitchen. I want to sit here. You want to sit there?
Put your leg up on there. There you go.
We're on the beach. I'm with Jamie. I don't want to go, but I'm also tired and I need to like take a few days to stop. I need a vacation for my vacation.
You do. Now we just have to make it back across the channel on the ski boat. I'll have to take Amanda to the airport to go home and rest. I hope that happens.
I'll try. I'm not getting rest these days, guys. This is a lot.
And then we're going to the Angel game tonight. It never ends.
Never ends. This is life, I guess.
Can't complain though.
No, I love it. Okay, well, I guess we'll head back. Hopefully we see a whale this time. This is a great crew. This is a really good crew. So I'm pretty much gonna go straight to the airport from here. Like a 4 o'clock flight out of Santa Ana, and then I'll go to Dallas and Lake Tahoe. All right, we have officially docked. We're back. It's really warm out here.
Dropping Amanda off at the airport. It's only been a 1.5 day whirlwind to Catalina, but
It's been fun.
I just want to tell you, you're so beautiful, inside and out. And I'm so happy we stayed in touch. And happy to have you in our life.
Gosh, you're so sweet. I didn't expect you to say all that. That's so nice.
Well, it's so true.
Thank you.
You're one of the nicest people I've ever met.
Aw.
Yeah.
She's my best advocate. you want me looking good online. Thank you. Well, you too. You guys, I think we just hugged like 4 times. They showed me the best time. You guys took great care of me, always.
Now
And
it's
you're
time
the best. You
to
guys are such
rest.
a great family. I know.
She needs to rest.
I know. It's time for me to recharge.
Yes.
So I will. Thank you again. We'll hang out soon.
Yeah. We'll reach out.
Bye.